Hello, everybody. I'm Horace, and this is What to Sell on Amazon. In case you don't know, this channel is about helping you have success buying and selling on Amazon using a technique known as arbitrage that can be retail or that can be online. I was just going about my day, and not only do I sell on Amazon, but I also shop on Amazon as well. And you know what? I was in my cart just kind of looking. What happened was I put something in my cart. I went to the cart, and while I was in the cart, something dawned on me. I looked at something that Amazon kind of notified me of in the cart, and I thought, you know what? This is something I might want to take advantage of. And of course, right away, I decided to share that with you. So let's take a quick look in my cart, and uh, and then we'll get to what I want to share.
Okay, guys, real quick, we're going to get into my Amazon cart so I can show you this real quick. Let's see. So we're in my cart, and if you look, I have a bunch of things in my cart, and you see this important message about items in your cart. There's a product that's in my cart that has decreased. You can see it says this particular item, Cards Against Humanity, has decreased from $35 to $26. So here was my thought. What if there was a product that you sell, and that product that you sell on Amazon, you stuck it in your cart, and what would happen is every now and then you go and visit your cart, and if the price has changed, Amazon notifies you, and then that lets you know right away something's going on. Now, mind you, of course, there are repricing tools out there that people might use. Amazon has included in the Seller Central software repricing software that you can use, but it really, to my knowledge, it really doesn't alert you of what's going on. And I think it's a good idea when you can find a minute or two to physically kind of look and see what's going on. That forces you to consider what's going on with that product that you sell and make a decision on how to move with it. You know, reprices are great, but you got to understand there's work involved with that. It's not necessarily that you set it and forget it. You have to reprice the repricer. So it's kind of nice to know right in your cart, boom, here are the items. You don't have to put every item that's in your catalog. As your catalog grows, that would be crazy. But if there's some specific items, if you're just getting started and you don't want to spend extra money on a repricer, or you don't really like the Amazon repricer, maybe it's just not working for you, this is just another tip. And maybe you use repricers, maybe you use the Amazon tool for that, and there's still a few items that you really want to keep close tabs on, especially if those are your bread and butter. Eventually, we all have our bread and butter items, and we kind of watch those because that's where the majority of your sales are coming from, those replenishable items. So this is just a quick tip. Let me know what you think. It may not be of use to you, but I think I'm going to start doing it, and I'll let you know how it works for me. If you want to leave any comments on that, that would be great. That's all for this video, guys. I hope this helps. Thanks so much. One thing to remember, guys, if you're going to use this method, it's kind of neat, but you got to be careful. If you happen to hit the refresh key, or if your system automatically refreshes or whatever, you will lose this information. It doesn't stay there. I even called Amazon to see, hey, how can I get those notifications on what items have changed to help me make a decision on buying or whatever, and they told me nope. Once you lose that data, you lose it. So what you could do in that case, take a screenshot as soon as you go to your cart, and you'll have like 4 or 5 of these if you got enough stuff in your cart, and you know things are dynamic, always changing. What you want to do, what I would suggest, take a screenshot, and then you can go to something like Word and have that screenshot in there, or even go stick it in your email client like I did here. Just another way. That way you don't lose the data before you have a chance to do your analysis.
Okay, guys, that's going to conclude this quick video, and I hope that little tip helps you. Please leave a comment below and let me know if it was a good tip, if it was stupid, whatever. Just let me know. I just wanted to share it with you. Hopefully it helps. Also, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Go to whattosellonamazon.com or onlineinternetprofits.com and get the free 12 module video course teaching you everything that you need to know. Give me a good thumbs up if this video was beneficial. I'm Horace, and I'm out.
Oh, yes.